हाय ऑल। आई होप आप सभी सेफ है और अपने अपने घरों में है। सिंस आई एम इन मुंबई एंड इट्स रेनिंग heavily over here, I hope you all are safe and at your homes respectively and enjoying some nice chai with pakoras since it's raining super heavily. I would like to share something about myself before we go ahead and start the content on this channel, because the content on this channel is definitely going to be different. Though I'll be sharing some here and there vlogs about my lifestyle, about what I do in a day, lot of things like fitness, diet plans, career guidance, lot of professional project management details, how you can explore and work on social media, a lot of work from home activities that comes across for a lot of women outside who are working as housewives. Lot of people think that the period of recession has started and they will not get jobs, or there are a lot of job cuts that are happening in the market. So I'm definitely gonna speak about a lot of topics, and there is a lot of content that is already ready for a lot of people, which will meet up their interests. In case if that does not meet up your interest, I would recommend and request you all to kindly share this content with the one which this content can be useful for that person. I'll be vlogging, and I'll be also sharing a lot of tips and tricks, not only in English but also in Hindi. I am shooting my introduction in English, but I'll again come up with one of the another introduction rounds in Hindi as well for the people who don't understand English. So firstly, I would like to let you all know that you're talking to Varsha Jain. So yes, it's my name, Varsha. I am been born in one of the villages in Rajasthan at my own ancestral paternal home. Then I was brought to Mumbai and I have done my SSC from Mumbai. Then that's Maharashtra board. That was the board that I have done my SSC. Post which I have done my HAC from Rajasthan board. So I have been there for 2 years over there, also in one of the cities of near Udaipur. So yes, I was there. Post which I have done my graduation from Mumbai University in Bachelor's of Banking and Insurance. Post which I was also working simultaneously, so I'll definitely share my professional experience also with you guys. I have done my double graduation, so I have pursued my LLB from one of the finest colleges of Mumbai University again, and then I have done my masters in journalism and mass communication. So that's about it about my educational background. I am a professional project management certified as well. And let's go, how about my family? So I have my father, I have my elder sister. She's married and she stays in Gujarat with two of my cute niece. I have already shared an introduction video about my family. That was the first video anytime on my channel about my family. So yeah, you can definitely go ahead and check that video out. My mother passed away in 2009. I am recently engaged on February 17th, so I have an in-laws family also. So in my in-laws family, I have a mother-in-law, father-in-law, my fiance, of course. I have a brother-in-law and a sister-in-law as well. My brother-in-law and sister-in-law is younger to my fiance. So yeah, that's about my family. Let's speak about something about my job, my profession. So yes, I have in total of 12 years plus work experience in different fields. I am now expertise into operational excellence, and I've been working with one of the MNCs, and I have a complete work experience with an MNC for approximately 7+ years now. And I have also worked with several reputed banks of India. So it's not Bank of India, but the banks of India that I have worked. And also I would like to share that I was associated with one of the youth organizations which deals into not only social service but also into molding you as a good person. And definitely, if you would like to know more about it, you can comment down and let me know. So I'll definitely make a video about it, and you can go ahead and think about that as well. So that is it about me. I would also like to share that what does my channel mean. So my channel is basically Fiesta Amigos. It means celebrating friendship, and this name itself is very close to my heart. I have already worked on this name in past also, and I have got a huge success in this. So I hope that this topic, this name, gives me a huge success in this field as well. So I would like to know more from you guys, that what exactly you want me to speak on, you want me to create the content on. I would request you to subscribe and share to my channel, and I would also recommend you or request you that please share it with your friends. And also we can have a Q&A session with every 100+ subscribers we have for our channel, and I can go live for you. So that we can speak a lot about different topics that are coming up in the market, but there are no answers to that. So I am definitely doing a lot of R&D, that is research and development, before I come up with any content in future, so that the content is a one-stop destination for you guys. When you go ahead and choose something for yourself, you don't have to go anywhere else. So I would request you all and urge you all to give me lots and lots of love by subscribing to my channel, and let me know in the comment section what you expect from me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, stay safe, stay home. In case if you're going out and working, please ensure to have your gloves around you, your masks, hand sanitizers. Everything is like a new normal. So I would want you all to be safe and ensure that your families are your first priority. So just ensure that there is a lot of safety, and consider your neighbors, your friends, your workplace as your family. Since you work there, you have to have a complete equal work-life balance with your family and friends. Those who are doing work from home, I would urge you to spend some time with your family, because I know a lot of people complaining these days that work from home has increased their working hours. So yeah, I understand that it has increased your working hours. However, it is at the convenience of not going out, traveling. So that is going to save a lot of time for you guys, and it is also going to give you a lot of time, ample time to spend with your family members. You will not get this time again. So those who are complaining that we want to go out, or it's been a long that we are locked in our indoors, I would say whenever we see the grass is always greener on the other side. So think the positive. When we were working in the offices and we used to not get leaves, we used to think, oh my god, when will I get a break and I'll spend some time with my family or with my friends, or how will I use my time, or how can I pursue my hobbies. So this is the time, guys. You should pursue your hobbies. You should ensure that you spend a lot of time with your family members. Ensure that you can weekly socialize with your friends. Do not go out. I'll not recommend that, but yes, you always have a lot of social media platforms, so you can definitely go ahead and spend time with your family members. So here's I'm signing off from my first official video of introducing myself on the YouTube platform. Thank you all. Please take care, stay safe.